Bonjour les amis, bonjour. Je m'appelle Madame Tweedy et bienvenue. Welcome to French with Ananas. How are you today? Are you having a good day? It's such a beautiful sunny day. Il fait soleil aujourd'hui and we have a great lesson plan today. We are going to review all our sound words. We're going to need some help though. Can you say bonjour Ananas so she can come and help us out? Can you say bonjour Ananas? Bonjour, Ananas. Bonjour. Ah, there she is. Ça va bien, Ananas? Oui. I think she's ready to go. All we need now is to pick a color. On va choisir une couleur for our pointer. Can you repeat the colors after me? Rouge, orange, jaune, vert, bleu, violet, rose, blanc, et noir. Which color would you like today, Anana? The color of your eyes, tes yeux? What color are your eyes? Les yeux sont noirs. So let's go with noir. So our series is called French with Anana. This is lesson 2.5, E sound. Leçon 2.5, son E. So the way we're going to do this, I'm going to show you a little bit of the picture and you can tell me if you can guess what it is. There's your clue. Do you remember what this picture is? Ah, delicious. Do you remember the French word for the cherries? Cerise. Cerise. Good job. Can you find the E sound? Oui, bravo. Cerise. Can you repeat after me? Cerise. Wow, you're doing great. Let's keep going. Oh, there's your clue. Do you remember the name of this animal? If you said cheval, you are correct. Cheval. Can you find the E sound? Oui, that's the E sound in cheval. Cheval. Let's say it one more time. Cheval. Bravo. And our next word. Oh, there's the clue for our next word. Ah, what's this? Did you say chemise? You are correct. Chemise. Can you find the E sound? There it is. Chemise. Chemise. Bravo. Let's look for the next word. Oh, here's your clue. There's the arrow pointing to something. Do you remember what it is? Yes, what's the French word for hair is cheveux. Cheveux. Can you find the E sound? Bravo, there's the E sound. Cheveux. Good job. Let's keep going. Oh, Ananas, who's this? Is one of your friends? Oui, un ami. And what is the French word for stuffy? It is peluche. Peluche. Can you find the E sound in this word? Bravo, there it is. Peluche. Peluche. Merci, very nice. Oh, there's a little bit of a clue. Oh, looks like a vegetable. Do you remember the name of this vegetable? Celery. Celery. Can you find the E sound? Oui, bravo. Let's say it again. Celery. Celery. Bravo. Good job. Oh, there's your clue. Do you remember this small object? Oh, this is to hold your keys. And it is called a porte-clés. Porte-clés. Can you find the E sound? There it is. Porte-clés. Porte-clés. Good job. Wow. Oh, there's our next clue. And this is a picture of a road. Do you remember the French word for road? If you said chemin, you are correct. Chemin. Can you find the E sound? Oui, perfect. Chemin. Chemin. Good job. Let's keep going. Oh, there's your clue. This is a tool. Ah, there it is. If you said tournevis, you're doing a great job. Tournevis. Can you find the sound? That's where it is. Tournevis. Now let's say it together a little faster. Tournevis. Good job. That's great work. Oh, do you remember what this word is? What is the word for recycle bin? Bac de recyclage. Bac de recyclage. And I see two sounds. Can you point to them? Un, deux. Let's say that again. Bac de recyclage. Bac de recyclage. Good job. Let's move on, see what our next... Oh, I see two little ears. Deux oreilles. What animal is this? Oh, what a beautiful animal. Did you remember the name, the word renard? Renard? Can you find the sound in this word? Bravo, that's the sound. Renard. Renard. Good job. Let's move on. Oh, look at this. Do you know the name of this fruit? Oh, delicious. Did you remember that it's called melon? Melon. Can you find the sound? There it is. Bravo. Melon. Melon. Good job. What is our next word? Oh, maybe you get some of these in the mail. Did you remember the word? Envelope. Envelope. Do you know where the sound is? Bravo. Envelope. Let's say it a little faster. Envelope. Bravo. Oh, what is this object? Do you remember the French word? There it is. Portefeuille. Portefeuille. Can you find the sound? That's it. Perfect. Portefeuille. And a little faster. Portefeuille. Good job. And our next word is... Oh, there's your clue. Can you see the arrow? What part of the body is it pointing to? Do you remember the French word for knee? Genou. You are correct. Genou. Can you find the sound? Bravo. Genou. Genou. Good job. Let's move on to the next word. Oh, what are these? These are beads. Do you remember the French word? Perle. Perle. Can you find the sound? That's where it is. Perle. Perle. Good job. What is... Oh, there's the clue. Well, there's one of these behind me. And it is called une fenêtre. Fenêtre. There's two sounds in this one. Un, deux. Can you say fenêtre? Fenêtre. Good job. Let's move on. Oh, I think this is un fruit. A fruit. Do you remember the word for this fruit? Tangerine. Tangerine. Can you find the sound? Oui, bravo. Tangerine. Tangerine. Good job. Let's see if we can find... Oh, do you remember these that we use in baking and cooking? Do you remember the French word for these? Tasse à mesurer. Tasse à mesurer. Can you find the sound? Bravo. There's the sound. Tasse à mesurer. Tasse à mesurer. Good job. Oh, I see two eyes, deux yeux. What else do you see? Oh, big teeth. Des dents, les dents. Oh, very sharp teeth. Oh, who has sharp teeth? And a tail and fins. Oh, that can only be a shark. This is called un requin. Requin. Can you find the E sound in this word? Mm-hmm. Bravo. There it is. Requin. Requin. Good job. Yay! You have guessed, you have remembered all the S sound words. Very good job, mes amis. Great. Oh, what's this? It's a question. A question. Une question. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac? Qu'est-ce qu'il y a dans mon sac means what's in your bag. Oh, Ananas, should we check what's in the bag? Let's look. Oh my goodness, here's my sac. Mon sac ici. There it is. Mon sac. 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 Oh, Ananas, what do you think is in here? Should we check in our bag? Ok, on regarde dans le sac, Ananas. On va regarder dans le sac. Dans le sac. Je mets ma main dans le sac. Oh, qu'est-ce que c'est? Oh, Ananas, qu'est-ce que... Oh. Do you remember the word for this object? Do you remember the word for this object? It's called a wallet in English. And the French word is portefeuille. You guessed it. Portefeuille. Oh, my friends, great work today. Bravo. It was so nice to have this lesson with you. I hope you join me and Ananas in our next lesson. Have a super day. Bonne journée, les amis. Can you say goodbye? Au revoir. Au revoir, Ananas. Au revoir, madame. Au revoir, les amis. See you next time.